my mom would do if I just, like, quit ballet.
Grounded for life. Boneless to a barley fresh.
Or maybe she finally gets off your back. Roast beef to a barley, back at you.
S-K-A-T.
Do you guys really have to play skate right now? I'm trying to have an existential crisis here.
We bet $5 and I need lunch money, so yeah.
Then you're gonna starve, my friend.
So your crisis got me thinking, Tricky. Newton's third law says every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Wow, this must be massive! Oh.
So, you think my mom, what? Makes me quit skateboarding?
Hard to argue with Newton.
I'm with Tani. Your mom is so hardcore. Ah!
True that. Still fish to judo. Yeah. But she could surprise you.
Nah, the only thing that surprises me these days is when Jake wears matching socks.
S-K-A-T.
Actually, there's a scientific theory I think might explain Jake's sock glitch. It says we all evolved from aquatic bipeds.
What does that even have to do with...
Webbed feet would be so cool. No more socks or shoes.
No way was I so awkward, dude. I hate seafood.
Okay, check this. Fakey Benihana to a Superman to a sex change.
Jake, you can't do that combo.
No choice. Need that cash bad. I am starving. Son of a freaking... Can't believe you, sirs. It's so hard to land that. Oh!
Personally, I don't think we evolve. We just become our parents. Or some reaction to them.
So my theory is we evolved from microbial life. You know, germs that probably came here on like a meteor from some other galaxy.
What? You saying we're aliens?
Exactly.
I gotta say, having your own UFO to cruise around in would be so cool.
Had a wicked sound system, and that UFO's one sweet ride.
Well, technically, sound waves couldn't escape the anti-gravity field it would take to power a UFO. Ooh! No, probably just another rusty can. Maybe not!
I gotcha, you.
Another turbine recovery. Confiscate?
Just observe. For now. Not again.
Mom, open up!
I take it this is yours? Now you listen here, mister. I don't know who you think you are, but you've got no right to manhandle my son like that.
Your son and his friends were in my subway yard, making trouble. Again.
It was my first time on a hoverboard.
On a what?
I mean, my new board.
Yeah, whatever the excuse, you should keep him on a shorter leash.
Hey! You can't tell my mom what to do. She's the best mom in the whole world, and if you ever tried...
All right, Jake, all right. Just settle down. I'll handle this. You get to your room and you think about what you've done. Was that too much? Was I too mean?
I don't know, lady.
He's such a good kid. So sweet.
Huh?
And usually so well-mannered. I'm a single mom. I work long hours, so he's alone a lot, but I always know I can trust him to behave.
Let go of me, lady. My dog doesn't like it.
All right, none of that.
Look, I'm sure this is all just a big misunderstanding, so don't worry. I'll bring up a dance for Jake right now.
Yard time. Who's in?
Jacob Brickler! You're in big trouble now, mister!
Sit! Cat! Ham and cheese? Oh, yeah, ham and cheese. Look, forget the yard. Meet me at Mully's. I'm starving.
More fries to break the record. Oh, you gotta see this, T.
Coming!
Beatrice. Well, that is a lovely outfit, but, breakfast started 2 minutes ago.
Sorry, Mother. I had to go back for my dance shoes. I almost forgot the recitals today.
Goodness gracious, how could you possibly forget the recital?
What recital?
Oh, ignore your father. We are both dying to see your new routine. So tell me, Beatrice, what composer are you dancing to today? Tchaikovsky or Stravinsky?
I gotta go. It's important.
Oh, really, Beatrice? Such behavior is an embarrassment.
Oh, that's funny. I thought it was a call to arms. Ooh, slurp war.
Oh. Done.
Oh, darn it, beaten again.
Incorrigible, both of you.
May I be excused now?
Well,
Good luck, honey. We'll see you at the recital.
Cause I'm not stereo. Mono's forever stereo. Tape it together, the road.
Beatrice! Tricky, watch out. Beatrice!
I'm so sorry, ma'am.
Oh, look at my clothes!
I'll be more careful next time.
Well, let's hope there won't be a next time,
You
or...
called for me, Mother?
Yes, I want you to wear my heirloom to the recital. Our heirloom.
Wait, you don't mean...
Yes. The Fairchild Moon. I was thinking, in case your routine goes poorly again, at least this time you'll look positively enviable.
Wow, I'm, speechless.
Oh, it just looks so divine on you. I remember my first time wearing the moon.
He broke the record. But he might have broken his jaw, too. Meet us at the hospital.
Sorry, Mother. I really gotta go. Thanks for the necklace.
It's an heirloom!
You know, there is other stuff on the menu.
Nah, Fresh is a creature of habit.
But why mess with perfection? Mully's burgers are killer.
Everything Mully makes is killer. Just wish it was all free.
BLT, hold the B. Next time, order salad.
I'm missing a piece of toast.
Edamame sundae with extra fudge. Can you say cavities? Chili cheeseburger with marshmallows.
Whoa.
Gross.
Watch the kicks.
French fries.
Ooh.
Boring.
Sorry about that. My dad said she needed more attitude to be a waitress, but I think I need to dial down her sass meter.
No, I like her. Except she always forgets the ketchup. Ow!
Served.
Take it back. Dial her down.
You know what you need to invent, Tani? Self-pouring ketchup. So Jake doesn't pull a muscle.
I'll put it on my list.
Problem with ketchup? It's got no swag. Fries like these, they deserve mayo.
Dude, you're delusional. The only thing mayo's good for is scrambled eggs.
Ew!
Enough with the ketchup.
Sorry, bro. Seriously, King?
I can skate, I can rap. I'm gonna switch back to some tap. Eat my cake, do my dance. I want me some fries from France.
I'd say he's earned one.
Hey, not so fast.
Serve.
I'm so sorry, Fresh. That was totally my fault.
No, it was mine. I should have.
Gangs of pain, super shame, blowing fresh way off his game. Bubbly water, that's a trick. Wipe it clean before it sticks. Making business sneaks restored. Earning king, fly reward.
I love you, man.
All right, King. Look, for saving my man's kicks, you can have them all.
Oh yeah, French fries.
Oh, man. Gross.
You can do this. You can do this. You can do this.
Hey, Tricky, on our way. Be there in 5.
No, I said, Jake, do not come. I will kill you. Seriously. Three? Julia got a 3? I am gonna get so wrecked. Oh no, the necklace!
Next, Beatrice Fairchild.
Look at what your daughter's wearing.
The necklace is a bit much.
It's an heirloom.
Dad's.
Sorry, Mrs. Fairchild. Fresh doesn't get out much.
Obviously.
Let's put her out of her misery. second opinion.
Crazy.